My friends, if I talk about silk sarees, any functions, any traditionals get together. Very pretty color. If I talk about the mango leafy pattern printed, the Rama green, which goes to dark purple with a traditional pallu, which is rich and elegant pallu, which highlights. In this also you can find out the color charts. If I talk about the matte, the pastel color with the grey color combination, and the next Rani pink with the bottle green or the dark Rama green color combination. Very beautiful covered, lightweight traditional base of Banarasi collections. The lovely color which is a dark purple shade with the Rama green, Banarasi, the mixed color which is covered in the sari, which is elegant, which is very unique, very classy. In this dark concept sarees also you can purchase. We always demand and expect and carry silk sarees. But for the regular on basis and the daily wear for the mini functions, if I talk about this sarees also from the silk segment part, but these sarees are very soft blended hand woven silk sarees with the traditional contrast color combinations in the Banarasi concepts. Yes, my friends, I am talking about the mini functions with the soft blended hand woven silk sarees in the Banarasi tradition concepts I brought for you at your friendly budgets. So, welcome back to Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. Hope all are safe and doing great. As I said, today I brought for you soft blend hand woven silk sarees in the concept of Banarasi. These sarees are for to carry for the mini functions, daily wear for the office. It gives a very traditional look and for the functions base also. So, these are friendly budget around 700 range to 1000 rupees range of varieties with the color chart. So quickly add into your business by taking a screenshots, and if you're watching a first time for the clothing related fashion brand, and if you want to have these collections at your business to start as a woman entrepreneur, I want to become a reseller, I want to start a boutique, so you can directly tie up with Kesaria Manufacturers. So let's see these collections. As I said, the friendly budget 700 rupees to around 1000 rupees range of varieties, which is soft blend collections for the mini functions for the daily wear. Let's see the collections, my friends. So first pattern, very pretty color. If I talk about the mango leafy pattern printed, the Rama green, which goes to dark purple with a traditional pallu, which is rich and elegant pallu, which highlights. In this also you can find out the color charts. If I talk about the matte, the pastel color with the grey color combination, these type of collections where you can see only the pastel colors also for the office wear, the function base of sarees, Banarasi concepts of the soft blend hand woven sarees. As I am telling, these varieties you can add and you can see a value added customers, these kind of unique and elegant rich collections. And the next Rani pink with the bottle green or the dark Rama green color combination, very beautiful covered, lightweight traditional base of Banarasi collections. This is also one of the pattern. The next saree, if I talk about the beautiful dark color, very dark golden based, I can see the khaki color and the onion pinkish based, and you have a golden, the border you can see the onion pinkish, the gap borders with the lightweight fancy tassels over here. This is also one of the pattern. You will get the color charts. The next pattern, the lovely color which is a dark purple shade with the Rama green, Banarasi, the mixed color which is covered in the sari, which is elegant, which is very unique, very classy. In this dark concept sarees also you can purchase. If I talk about the next sari, very classy and beautiful pretty color, the light half white with the Rani pinkish color, the flower based beautiful sari. This also you will get all the pastel color charts. Every sari you can suggest to your customers for the mini functions. As I said, the parrot green, the matte golden color which is combined with the hand woven sari. This is also very pretty. You will get the with the blouse which is 630 meters. All these sarees are elegant, lightweight, classy pastel dark colors for the traditional base Banarasi soft blend hand woven silk sarees. So from 700 range of to 1000 range of collections, these are at the friendly budget I have showed you. So quickly add into your business. My friends, if you want many more silk varieties like jacquard silk, cotton silk, silk cotton base, rapier silk cotton base, we do have n number of collections with the hand woven sarees, Narayana Pattu silk sarees, Kanjivaram base sarees, Paithani Patola sarees, etc. So hope you enjoyed these kind of varieties. So quickly call and place an order. 20 to 25,000 minimum order purchase, and for the tie-up to start up from youngsters kids collections, from men varieties, Indian ethnic ways, from the ready-made women apparels, matching collections, all at under one roof you can purchase at a friendly budget. So keep supporting me, subscribe the channel, keep follow, share and subscribe. Don't forget to share your name and city in the comments. If you have any doubts, let me know, I'll clear it. Next video will meet with new more collections. Until then, take care, bye-bye.